Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be unlocking the power of prosperity and aligning with the energy of money. If this video has found its way to you, it may just be the universe nudging you towards a financial awakening. Join us as we explore a revolutionary approach to understanding and attracting wealth. Rethinking wealth. Why do some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Today, we unravel this mystery. It's not just about landing a high-paying job or inheriting fortunes. The real magic lies in viewing money through a different lens, as a living, vibrant energy. Picture it as a river constantly flowing and changing paths, nourishing everything it touches. Money as a dynamic force. Money is so much more than physical currency. It's a dynamic entity. This idea dates back centuries. The very term currency comes from the Latin word for flow. Like energy, money is in perpetual motion, always moving, never static. It's this movement that holds the key to financial success. Emotional connection with money. Reflect on your emotions when receiving a paycheck or discovering unexpected money. These feelings, joy, relief, anticipation, are the emotional energy of money in action. This connection goes beyond mere transactions. It's about how money resonates with our sense of security and ambition. Money mirrors our internal state, influencing our financial decisions and paths to prosperity. The energy of attraction. The type of energy you emit is what you attract in return. When you treat money with positivity, gratitude, and respect, you naturally attract more of it. On the other hand, negative feelings towards money can repel it. Your mindset and emotions about money significantly influence your financial status. Changing your financial perspective. To transform your financial destiny, start by perceiving money as an abundant, easily accessible resource. Shift your mindset to view wealth not as something scarce or hard to obtain, but as a natural, flowing part of life that's available to you. Cultivate an attitude of abundance by celebrating every financial gain, no matter how small, and by recognizing the wealth present in everyday experiences. Practice seeing opportunities for financial growth all around you, and approach financial decisions with a sense of possibility and positivity. This mental shift is a powerful first step in aligning your reality with the prosperous life you aspire to create. Understanding your core beliefs. The law of attraction in finance goes beyond positive thinking. It's about the deep-seated beliefs and attitudes we hold toward money. Examine your core beliefs about wealth. Are they rooted in scarcity or abundance? Transforming limiting beliefs into empowering ones is crucial. For instance, replace thoughts like, money is hard to come by with, there is an abundance of financial opportunities available to me. This mental shift is vital for attracting wealth. Understand that the law of attraction works in tandem with proactive steps. It's not just about thinking positively, but also about making informed financial decisions and taking concrete steps towards your goals. Cultivating an abundance mindset, coupled with practical financial strategies, sets the stage for true financial prosperity. Practical application. To apply the principles of wealth attraction in your life, start with visualization and meditation. Dedicate time daily to meditate on your financial goals, envisioning yourself achieving them. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your financial desires and focus on how each desire makes you feel. Allow your energy to match your desires. Practice gratitude for your current financial situation, regardless of its state. Appreciating what you have now sets a positive foundation for attracting more abundance. Engage in activities that make you happy, like watching a funny movie, playing with your dog, or in any activity that helps raise your energy vibration, even if it's not directly related to wealth. This uplift in energy can positively influence your ability to attract abundance in all forms. Aligning with the energy of money can profoundly transform your financial reality. Money is more than a medium of exchange. It's an energy reflective of your thoughts and beliefs. By reshaping these elements, you can significantly alter your financial destiny. We hope this video has offered valuable insights into how you can align with the energy of money. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.